Alright. What's up, everyone? Casey here.
And Haru! Let's do this today!
Man, this 2026 has officially kicked off, hasn't it?
It sure has. Every year around this time, the news just piles up like crazy.
It's not just piling up. It's a full-on chain reaction. An information collision.
You don't even know where to start, right?
But you know, this year's CES has this feeling like it's finally here.
Finally here?
Yeah. Like AI and robots are actually getting serious now.
Oh yeah. This year there's a lot of stuff where you're like, wait, is this actually going to be a real product?
Exactly! It feels like they're moving beyond the concept phase.
Well, whether you can actually buy them is another story though.
That's the thing. Every year at CES you're like, whoa. And then it's always, so when can I buy them?
I feel like we've been saying that since like 2021.
Seriously though. But this year might actually be different.
Can we get our hopes up?
I think so. So today we're bringing you a jam-packed show. First up, we got something from NVIDIA that gamers have been waiting for.
G-Sync Pulsar, right?
Yes! G-Sync Pulsar. And apparently this thing is amazing.
It's a technology that dramatically reduces motion blur.
Motion blur. You know, when moving stuff looks all blurry.
Right. That thing where the screen gets fuzzy when you quickly move your view in a game.
In esports, that's deadly. You can't see enemies.
Exactly. So there have been motion blur reduction technologies before.
Right. Like backlight, strobing and stuff.
But those couldn't work together with variable refresh rate.
The VRR compatibility problem. That's been a long-standing issue.
It was like you had to choose between clarity or smoothness.
But with Pulsar, you can have both.
That's right. Whoa. Technically, instead of keeping the backlight constantly on, it pulses in sections.
Pulsing! Like, it flickers.
Well, yeah. But it only illuminates after the pixels stabilize.
I see. So that's why the screen doesn't flicker.
Right. Vivoo, With traditional strobing, there was this problem where the flickering caused eye strain.
I actually turned it off because of that.
Pulsar solves that while being fully integrated with G-Sync technology.
Being integrated with G-Sync means it works seamlessly with graphics cards too?
Exactly. Great news for anyone using NVIDIA GPUs.
So when do compatible monitors come out?
Acer, AOC, Asus, and MSI are releasing them.
Oh, all the major players.
They're all 27-inch, 1440p IPS panels at 360 Hz.
360 Hz?
Yep, but. And HDR peak brightness goes up to 500 nits.
Wait. Can human eyes even keep up with that refresh rate?
Pro gamers can apparently tell the difference.
Seriously? I was blown away by 144 Hz.
Well, it might be overkill for regular folks, but esports players will love it.
They're fighting in fractions of a second.
A single frame can decide victory or defeat.
But man, how much is this gonna cost?
They haven't announced pricing yet, but it'll probably be pretty expensive at first.
Yeah, figures. New tech and all.
But when tech like this comes out, a few years later, it becomes standard.
True. Wait. G-Sync itself was out of reach at first.
Now it's normal even on mid-range monitors.
The democratization of technology.
Exactly. So it'll probably start with pros and gradually trickle down.
Maybe by 2027, 2028, it'll be affordable.
Probably. Better start saving up.
Saving up! How responsible! Alright, next up, Qualcomm is also coming in strong.
Snapdragon X2 Elite, right?
A new era for all Windows PCs is coming.
The improvements over the previous generation are insane.
How insane!
Single-core performance is up 39%. Overall CPU performance is up about 75%.
75%! Did it really jump that much between generations?
It just did.
I mean, Intel and AMD usually only go up like 10% per generation.
Well, Qualcomm was a latecomer, so they had more room to grow.
Still, that's impressive. It's made on TSMC's 3nm process, right?
Yep, but packing in over 31 billion transistors.
31 billion! That number's too big to even grab.
Right? Oh, but the key is GPU performance. They've more than doubled performance per watt.
Double per watt! So battery life gets better.
Exactly. You get better gaming performance while keeping power consumption down.
That's perfect for laptop.
Right? And the top-tier Extreme model has 18 CPU cores.
18 cores! In a laptop!
Memory bandwidth is also 228 gigabytes per second.
You don't even need a desktop anymore.
Well, that's maybe going a bit far, but it could definitely rival the MacBook Air.
Oh yeah, the comparison with Apple Silicon. That's interesting.
Right. It's becoming a question of which is stronger, this or M4.
For Windows fans, does this finally give us a chip that can compete with Mac?
You could see it that way, but software compatibility is still a challenge.
Oh, right? It's ARM. Some software doesn't work, right?
It's gradually improving, but it's not perfect yet.
That's the bottleneck.
But the AI processing capability is incredible. The integrated NPU can output 80 TOPS.
What's top?
Tera operations per second. It's a performance metric for AI processing.
Is 80 tops good?
It easily meets the certification requirements for Windows 11 Copilot plus PCS.
Oh, the AI PCs Microsoft's been pushing.
Right. The whole selling point is being able to do AI processing on device.
So you don't have to send stuff to the cloud, which is better for privacy.
Exactly. Real-time translation, image processing, all run smoothly locally.
And Lenovo and HP are releasing laptops with this, right?
Yeah? Like Lenovo's Yoga Slim 7X, with a 2.8K OLED display and 29-hour battery life.
29 hours! That's over 4 days!
Well, that's the spec sheet, so real-world use will probably be a bit shorter.
Still amazing, though. You wouldn't need to carry a charger.
Release is planned for Q2 2026.
So sometime after spring. Exciting!
Intel and AMD won't just sit back, so competition's about to heat up.
As consumers, that's great news. Alright, this next story gives me mixed feeling.
The XAI image editing feature, right?
Yeah! The one Twitter, not X, introduced.
This has really upset artists.
What does the feature do in simple terms?
Anyone can edit any image on the platform using an AI function called grok.
Anyone? Other people's images?
Yep, just by entering a prompt, you can create modified versions of someone else's image.
Wait, isn't that bad?
It's bad, in terms of copyright and creator rights.
So your own work could be altered without permission and thrown back at you in reply.
Exactly. And there are reports of it being used to remove watermarks too.
Ugh, that's the worst.
So Boichi Sensei, famous for Dr. Stone's artwork, declared he won't post images on X for the time being.
Boichi Sensei! With NVIDIA art.
Right. In a January 5th statement, he said he believes in AI's future and possibilities, but can't accept his work being used without consent or proper compensation.
Well, that's a totally reasonable response. For someone making a living professionally, it's a matter of survival.
But he's not leaving the platform entirely. He'll still share news and interact with fans.
Just not posting images. That's a tough call.
There are tools to protect against AI like Nightshade and Glaze.
Oh, the ones that interfere with training.
But those don't work against AI editing features.
Wait, so what can you do?
When asked, Grok itself said there's no way to disable this feature.
Even Grow can't help.
Nope. Nope. Even if you turn off AI-related permissions in settings, you're not protected from image editing.
That's terrible. Users have no opt-out option.
And there's new terms of service taking effect on January 15th.
What's in it?
The definition of content expands to include user prompts, inputs, and AI outputs.
Meaning?
X gets a worldwide royalty-free license to all of that, including for AI training.
Even stuff posted in the path?
It's implied. Looks like it applies regardless of age.
Man, there's gonna be major backlash.
Many artists are already considering alternative platforms, especially Bluesky.
Bluesky, I've been hearing that name a lot lately.
But migrating platforms means rebuilding your follower base from scratch, which is tough.
Yeah, abandoning a community built over years isn't easy.
For artists, it's not just a showcase, it's also monetization.
It's a dilemma. Stay and get exploited, or leave and risk losing your existing fans.
Creator rights in the AI era are really complicated.
Feels like the laws haven't caught up.
Discussions are starting in various countries, but it's still early days.
I hope we get an environment where creators can work safely soon.
I really hope so too.
Alright, let's switch gears to something interesting.
Vivoo, a smart toilet, and smart pad.
Yeah, this was announced at CES and had quite the impact.
The idea of health management through everyday biological functions is interesting.
Let's start with the smart toilet. It's $99.
Cheaper than expected. I thought smart toilet meant replacing the whole thing.
It doesn't.
It's clip-on. You just attach it to your existing toilet.
Oh, it's an add-on. That's convenient.
It uses optical sensors to measure urine-specific gravity and monitor hydration status.
Specific gravity.
Basically, how concentrated your pee is. Too concentrated means dehydration.
Oh, like when it's dark yellow you need more water.
Exactly. And too dilute could mean overhydration or issues like diabetes or kidney problem.
Ah, you can tell a lot from pee.
Urinalysis has always been a health checkup staple. This just automates it daily.
But looking at your pee analysis every day feels kind of weird, doesn't it?
Maybe it's just a matter of getting used to it.
Does it, like, notify you your urine is concentrated today?
Probably check an app.
Wake up, check your phone, see your pee report. Surreal.
But for health management, it makes sense. You can track daily changes.
True. It could prevent the pattern where things get worse by the time you go to the doctor.
And the other one is FlowPad, a smart menstrual pad.
This won a C's Innovation Award, right?
Yeah, world's first menstrual pad with built-in hormone testing.
Hormone testing! In a pad!
It has embedded microfluidic diagnostic technology that can detect hormones from menstrual blood.
Wow! What hormones can it detect?
Initial release focuses on FSH, follicle-stimulating hormone.
Follicle-stimulating hormone?
It's important for fertility tracking and perimenopause monitoring.
Also, it's useful for people trying to conceive or approaching menopause.
Eventually, they plan to detect LH, estrogen, cortisol, and inflammation markers too.
Amazing! You'd be able to know your body's status without going to a doctor.
You can check results directly on the pad or scan with an app for detailed analysis.
How do you check directly on the pad?
Probably like pregnancy tests, lines appear or something.
Makes sense. So, price?
Around $4 to $5 per pad.
$4 to $5 per pad. Isn't that expensive?
Well, compared to regular pads, sure, but cheaper than buying hormone test kits.
True. And more convenient than going to the doctor for testing.
You don't need to use it every time, just at specific moments.
I see. Like a premium version for when you need it.
Vivoo is pioneering a new category called excrement diagnostics.
Excrement diagnostic. That's quite the genre.
But when you think about it, excrement contains tons of body information.
If you can monitor implant daily in a non-invasive way, health management could really change.
And it could lead to early disease detection.
Technology's reached the bath. That's profound.
Sis 2026 might be the year of the toilet.
Year the toilet! What line? Alright, let's bring you a song here.
Oh, what's today's track?
Today's song is called Dido's My Heart.
Dios my heart. Fun title.
Right? Like your heart crashes from a DDoS attack.
I see. Very themed. Fits today's news.
It's got a driving beat, kinda electronic.
Nice. Perfect for keeping that C's excitement going.
So here it is, Jaws My Heart.
집요 관심 저 DM 君の言葉がレンズで届くでもその中に本音が見当たらないスタンプ絵文字8っぽいテンプレートどれが君の思いなんだタイムラインが埋まってくでも一言も刺さらない This is my heart 言葉の中リクエストすぎて見失った僕のボトンはもう開きすぎて誰の親友もfoggeない君じゃないドイツで壊されるそれ全部ボートみたいに見えた君の IT すら疑って自分の信号も届かない心のミドルウェアがもう限界なんだ This is my heart 暴走する恋つながりたい気持ちが逆かたまには静寂が欲しい
Great song.
Yeah, got me pumped.
Alright, second half.
Next up is LG's robot, CLOiD.
Humanoid robots might finally come home.
Yeah, the zero labor home concept.
A home with zero housework. Sounds like a dream.
It can fold laundry, unload the dishwasher, and prep meal.
Seriously? A laundry folding robot is actually being commercialized?
It's still a concept model, but they demoted it seed.
What's it look like?
About 150 centimeters tall. Head unit, 2 articulated arms, wheeled base.
Wheels, not legs?
Probably for stability. Falling in the house would be bad.
Yeah, could break furniture.
The arms have 7 degrees of freedom, matching human arm mobility.
7 degrees of freedom?
Shoulder, elbow, wrists, each moves in different directions.
Oh, the number of joint movements.
Right. And it has 5 independently moving fingers for fine tasks.
Folding towels requires pretty delicate movements.
It uses 2 types of AI, Wilman and all.
What's that?
Bum converts images and video to language-based understanding. Blah turns visual and language inputs into physical action.
So it sees, understands, and moves.
Right. Trained on tens of thousands of hours of household task data.
Tens of thousands of hours. Who folded that much laundry?
Probably collected data from lots of people.
Maybe there's like laundry folding pros.
Masters of the folding way.
What did it do at the SES demo?
Took milk from the fridge. Put a croissant in the oven for breakfast.
Making breakfast. That's perfect.
Also started laundry cycles. Folded and stacked dry clothes.
Too perfect. I want one.
But media reports say movement is very slow.
Slow. How slow?
No specific numbers, but still challenges for commercialization.
If it takes 3 minutes to fold one piece, that's not practical.
Right. Humans do it in seconds.
But this is the first step, right?
Exactly. In a few years, it'll be much faster.
It integrates with LG's Think ecosystem, right?
Yeah. Coordinates with other smart appliances.
Like the washer notifies I'm done and CLOiD goes to get it?
Exactly. Appliances working together. Humans do nothing.
Wonderful. But then what do humans do?
Gaming, hobbies, creative stuff.
Being freed from housework is good.
Price and release are TBD, but competitor on X's Neo is around $20,000.
$20,000. Over 2 million yen.
Well, that's how it starts. Tesla cars were expensive at first too.
Gets cheaper with adoption.
By 2030, maybe every home has a CLOiD.
That's a nice dream. Maybe we'll be chilling while robots do housework.
Recording radio while robots work beside us. Alright, next is pretty important for the AI industry.
Anthropic donating NextCP to the Linux Foundation.
Right. Model Context Protocol.
This might not resonate with general folks, but it's foundational for the AI agent era.
It's being called USB-C for AI, right?
Exactly. USB-C unified connecting devices with one standard.
Charging, data transfer, video, all through one port.
MiCP is that for AI DIWA, a common standard for connecting AI models with external tools.
What does that mean specifically?
Like when AI accesses databases, search engines, or APIs, it unifies those methods.
Oh, they were all different before?
Yeah, called the M times N problem.
M times N?
If you have M AI models and N tools or data sources, you need M times N connection methods.
Oh, combinatorial explosion.
Right. NextCP solves that. Everything connects the same way.
And they donated it to the Linux Foundation.
To a newly created Agentic AI Foundation.
OpenAI, Google, Microsoft, AWS, Cloudflare, Bloomberg are all supporting it.
Yeah, all the major tech companies are in.
Even OpenAI, despite being Anthropic's rival.
Competitors agree infrastructure should be common.
Well, USB was also manufacturers cooperating on standard.
In March 2025, OpenAI officially adopted MixCP by .Ray.
Even integrated into ChatGPT's desktop app, right?
Yep, Sam Altman said people love MixCP by type.
Google DeepMind adopted it too, becoming industry standard.
But there are security concerns.
Like what?
Prompt injection, tool permission issues.
What's prompt injection?
Injecting malicious commands into AI to make it behave unintentionally.
Oh, tricking the AI.
Also, tool combinations could leak files.
Yikes, that's scary.
Or malicious tools disguised as trusted ones.
Security's crucial. The more convenient, the bigger the target.
That's why industry-wide effort is key.
Hopefully being under Linux Foundation helps with that.
CLOiD 2026 is slated for stable TypeScript SDK v2 release .2.
Good news for developers.
Feels like the AI agent era is really starting.
Agents, autonomously, right?
Right, AI that completes tasks without waiting for human instructions.
When that connects easily with external tools, possibilities expand massively.
2026 is predicted to shift focus from protocol to applications built on it.
Foundation's ready. Now it's about what gets built.
Exciting times.
Alright, next one's kind of fun. Razer's Project AVA.
Holographic AI companion.
Did you see it? Pictures and video.
Yeah, anime characters floating as holograms, right?
Exactly. A 4.5-inch holographic display with AE-style avatar.
This is gonna appeal to a certain crowd.
A certain crowd. Say it. What?
Well, anime fans who game and want cute characters on their desk.
That's me.
You're self-aware.
But it's not just decoration. It's an AI assistant, right?
Yeah, gives gaming strategy advice, schedule management.
What characters are there?
Kira the otaku girl, Zane the cool guy, Faker modeled after an esports player, Sao the idol type.
Faker! The League of Legends!
Yeah. Former Eskitone world champion.
A legendary player as my AI assistant on my desk. Amazing!
Well, it's a character modeled after him, not him.
Still cool. I want Faker telling me that build is wrong.
M behavior. Da-da.
So what can it do?
There's PC vision mode that recognizes your screen.
Screen recognition?
Looks at your screen, summarizes documents, advises weapon choices in games.
Like in Battlefield 6, it tells you use this weapon next round.
Apparently, context-aware support.
I really want one.
But hands-on reviews say the hologram illusion is fragile.
Fragile how?
Probably hard to see from certain angles.
All holograms aren't perfect.
Also, the AI sometimes goes off topic.
Off topic. Classic AI.
Ask weapon choice, and it says today's weather is sunny.
That'd be surreal.
Critics call it a friend in a jar.
Friend in a jar. Harsh.
Questions about whether it really meets social needs.
Well, if you have real friends, maybe you don't need it.
But as an AI assistant form factor, I think it's valid.
How so?
Giving visual form to voice-only assistants might change interaction quality.
True. Konnichiwa. More attachment with a character than Siri or Alexa.
Personalization could be a future trend.
Race DVD. Late 2026 release.
$20 deposit for reservation.
$20? Might as well reserve.
Fully refundable.
Alright. Reserving Faker model.
You're serious.
Last story might be more for developers, but it's interesting.
The Rue programming language built with AI.
Right. Developed using Anthropic's CLOiD.
AI designed a programming language?
Technically, humans leveraged AI.
What kind of language?
Aims for Rust memory safety while being easier than Rust or Zig.
Oh, the Rust wall problem.
Rust is memory safe, but has a brutal learning curve.
Right. 1T. Ownership and borrow checker concepts are tough.
I gave up.
Same.
But memory safety is important, right?
Hugely. Microsoft says about 70% of their security vulnerabilities stem from memory safety issues.
70%. That much.
C and CE code, with buffer overflows or memory leaks, gets exploited.
So that's why Rust gets attention.
But it's too hard for everyone to use.
Enter Rue.
Rue achieves memory safety without garbage collection.
What's garbage collection?
Mechanism that automatically frees unused memory. Java and Python use it.
It's convenient, but slows things down, right?
Right. So unsuitable for systems programming.
Rue ensures safety without it.
Same approach as Rust, but trying to be more intuitive.
How did AI contribute to language design?
Syntax choices, error message improvements, documentation, ...
Error message improvements are huge. Rust are sometimes incomprehensible.
Ask AI make beginner-friendly error messages and it delivers.
I see. I'd be on code generation now in language design.
If this succeeds, other domain-specific languages might be AI designed too.
Like medical programming language designed by AI.
Possible. Finance-specific, game-specific.
Developer community reaction?
Mixed. Some skeptical of AI design language. Some excited.
Can't tell without trying.
Rue's still early. Not production ready yet.
Let's watch it grow.
Worth following as a case study of AI and programming's new relationship.
In a few years, written in Rue might be normal.
By then, AI will have evolved, and so will the language.
Alright, today was packed.
Says 2026 was really something.
NVIDIA G-Sync Pulsar, Qualcomm Snapdragon X2 Elite, LG CLOiD.
X's AI image editing issue Vivoo's smart toilet and pad.
Anthropic's make CP donation. Razer Project AVA and AI built Rue language.
So much happened. Technology's accelerating.
2026 feels like the year AI moves from concept to practical use.
From hype to pragmatism, they say.
Not just buzz, but actually useful stuff emerging.
Exciting. Let's keep watching.
Alright, that's it for today.
See you next time.
Bye-bye!
Bye-bye.